Green horizons.
In the realm of landscaping, where the canvas is vast and the possibilities endless, beginners may find themselves daunted by the prospect of transforming outdoor spaces into havens of beauty. Yet fear not, for within the realm of landscaping lies a trove of easy tips and tricks, waiting to be unearthed by the aspiring gardener. Here, in the gentle embrace of nature's bounty, beginners can take their first steps towards crafting landscapes that enchant the senses and soothe the soul. At the outset of this journey, simplicity reigns supreme. Begin by surveying the land, observing its contours and characteristics with a keen eye. Note the play of light and shadow, the rise and fall of terrain, and the natural elements that shape the landscape. This initial step lays the foundation upon which all else shall be built, a deep understanding of the land and its unique personality. With a clear vision in mind, the beginner gardener embarks upon the next phase of the journey, planning. Start small, with a simple sketch or diagram outlining the desired layout of the landscape. Consider factors such as functionality, aesthetics, and practicality. How will the space be used, and what elements are essential for its transformation? Keep in mind the principles of balance and harmony, striving for a design that seamlessly integrates with the natural surroundings. Now comes the time to breathe life into the landscape, starting with the selection of plants. For beginners, it is wise to choose low-maintenance varieties that thrive in local climate conditions. Hardy perennials such as lavender, coneflowers, and ornamental grasses are excellent choices, requiring minimal care while adding color and texture to the landscape. Intersperse these with evergreen shrubs and ground covers to provide year-round interest and structure.
Damn.